Hi guys, welcome. Oh, let's see. Oh, maybe not. Welcome to the weekly highlights today. I'm Miss Rhodes coming to you from the Ben May Main Library. Mr. Butch is having some trouble getting on today, so hopefully he will be joining us soon in the weekly highlights. But until then, let me get us started. I want to let you know some of the fun things that we have going at the Mobile Public Library. This is week 4 of the Summer Library Celebration. Our theme for the whole summer is Oceans of Possibilities. But our theme for this week, our sub-theme, is fish. And as part of that, we are very pleased to have Mobile Baykeeper bringing Down by the Bay. So here's the, let's see. Here's the schedule of when they'll be coming. Mobile Baykeeper Down by the Bay. They'll be at Saraland Public Library. Well, they were this morning at 10 a.m. They'll be at Sims Regional Library at 1 p.m. They'll be at the Moore Spring Hill Branch Library today at 3. And then Tuesday, tomorrow, the 28th, they'll be at the West Regional Library at 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. And they'll be at the Grand Bay Library at 2 p.m. On Wednesday, they'll be here at the Ben May Main Library at 11 a.m., Parkway Branch at 3 p.m. And then on Thursday, they'll be at the Trinity Gardens Community Library at 10 a.m. and the Virginia Dillard Smith Tomanville Branch Library at 1 p.m. So we're pretty excited to have Mobile Baykeeper bringing their Down by the Bay kids event to the public library this week. It's a special performance for this week, but there are lots of fun things going on all across Mobile. You can go to, let's see if I can bring this up. Let's see, you can go to mobilepubliclibrary.org and bring up our website. And from here, if you scroll across the top, you can either go under events and see the calendar, or if you go under kids, you can go straight to the Summer Library Celebration, or you can go straight to this website through slc.mobilepubliclibrary.org and see all the oceans of possibilities as part of the Summer Library Celebration this summer. You can register online here if you have not already registered. Register to be entered for a chance to win passes to the Gulf Quest Maritime Museum and the Dauphin Island Sea Labs Aquarium. And you'll get fun events for all ages. And the events are listed with the special performers. The kids' events for each week are listed here on the left, and you can click on each one for like the sea turtle egg hunt and get more information about it. Or wave art, mini art gallery and contest at the Grand Bay Library. So be sure to join us for the fun events this summer. Looks like Mr. Butch is still having some difficulty, and I'm really going to miss getting his book recommendations today. But let me start out, just tell you mine. So one fish book that for sure I hope many of you love and that I love is Dr. Seuss's One Fish, Two Fish, Red Fish, Blue Fish. This will be the book that is featured in our Bookworm Book Club this afternoon at 4 o'clock at the Ben May Main Library. And of course, it is a fun with lots of mayhem Dr. Seuss book. I also like to recommend this one. If you haven't read it yet, try checking out this one, My Big Fat Zombie Goldfish by Mo O'Hara. See, in this one, when Tom's big brother decides to become an evil scientist, his first experiment involves dunking Frankie the goldfish into toxic green gunk. Ew, Tom knows that there's only one thing to do: zap the fish with a battery and bring him back to life, of course. But there's something weird about the new Frankie. He's now a big, fat zombie goldfish with hypnotic powers, and he's out for revenge. And if you like the sort of book that's across, it's still got the pictures and all like the comic books do, but it's got more words for reading, then this one is a good book for you. And then it's got some puzzles in the back. You can make copies and work those puzzles for yourself. So that's my big fat zombie goldfish. It's a nice, lighthearted read about a goldfish that gets thrown in green gunk and becomes a zombie. If you would like more of, let's see, that one is rated 4th grade level. So the 4th grade level lighthearted book. If you would like something a little bit more serious, more on the intrigue side, could I recommend Carl Hiaasen, Flush? And this one is a 5th grade reading level, and it's about a kid named Noah. Noah's dad does something for a good reason, but something really bad because he sinks a casino trying to stop them from dumping and polluting the fish. And that's not how we stop people from polluting the fish around us. You can come see the Mobile Babekeeper this week for some tips on how to do it right. But in this book, Noah's dad sinks the casino and gets in trouble. So Noah and his friends decide that they're going to try to do something about the casino dumping toxic waste and try to save the fish in their area. It's set in the Florida Keys. And so this is a nice intrigue book on 4th grade level, Carl Hiaasen, Flush. If you would like a nice fish book that is, Butch hasn't joined us. He has not been able to join us yet. Okay, a nice fish book that is, those were fiction. The zombie goldfish, my big fat zombie goldfish, and Flush are both fiction, made up stories. If you would like one that is nonfiction or not made up, could I recommend Freaky Funky Fish? This book is full of odd facts about fascinating fish. It's got bright, colorful, fun pictures. It would be appropriate for younger or older reading levels because you can read it to a younger child and go over the fun facts, because you could read. Let me just show you. Fish have fins and gills and tails. All fish swim, most have scales. See, there's nice rhyming to it, and there's nice fun facts, and you could go into as much detail or as little detail as you want. And then in the back, there are lots of freaky fun fish facts to read further. So I'd like to share just a few of the fish facts with you. Did you know that some fish zap? That's right. You may have heard of the electric eel, but have you heard of the electric catfish? True story. Some fish sting. You've probably heard of the stingray, but another one that I learned about in here is the scorpion fish. Ouch!